Hello everyone, my name is Mukul Mahajan and I am a student of Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal. Today I am here for the video demonstration of our major project 2. The title of our major project is Design and Development of Placement Guidance System, whose name we have given as CircleHub. So first of all, here are the details of all our group members along with a project guide. So let's start with the demonstration. So basically CircleHub is a web application, and more specifically it is a blogging platform which we have mainly developed for the students of our department. What it will do, all the students, whenever students participate in any placement drive and placement activity, they can share their experience in the form of a blog or a post on this platform, which can be very useful for the junior students, which are the upcoming students for the placement drives. So this is the home page of our application. First of all, the student need to register on the system. So it's a login form. There are many accounts already there, but I will register a new account. Okay, so first of all we have to validate our email ID. So I will use my email ID here. If I will use any invalid email ID, then we have that we have put that validation here. So invalid email ID format. So I will enter my correct email ID and OTP will be sent there, and with that OTP will verify our email ID. So OTP has been sent, and now I will check on my email ID. So for sending these emails, for these email services, we have used the third party service. Its name is SendGrid. SendGrid provided us an API with the help of which we are able to send emails to different email IDs. So here you can see that I have received an email with the name of CircleHub one-time password. My password, what is my password? My password is 67220. 67220. And my email ID successfully verified. Now I will enter my name. Now I will enter my mobile number. For example, if I enter an invalid mobile number, then we have that validations here, so we will check them out. For example, my passing out year is 2023. Then my enrollment number is, and my password. I have to create a password. So I will try to register. It will give an invalid phone number format. Now I will enter 2 more digits. And here we can see that registration has been successful. Now we can log into our account with this credentials. So I will enter my email ID again, and here I will enter my password. The passwords in the system are encrypted internally. In the database they are encrypted. So login is successful, and we will be redirected to the dashboard of student. So this is the dashboard of student. Okay, so here my name is visible with which I have logged in, and all the currently available posts which are available in the system, they are visible here. We can see that the title has been given, some description is given. When we will click on a particular post, then that post will open and all the details will be there, like which company that post is related to, who is the author, who is the author, on which date it was posted, what were the different rounds, and there was and the brief description about that entire placement drive. After that, there are the questions which were added by the author, which were asked in the interview or the placement drive. We also have the author details also. So all the posts which will be available in the database at that time, they will be visible to the user, and a student can filter out the post according to the companies which are available in the system. Currently these all companies are available, so we can filter the post according to these. For example, if I click on Hexaware Technologies, so I will get only Hexaware posts. If I click on Wipro, then I will get only Wipro post. If I click on any other company, so if posts are not there, the message will be displayed. Secondly, if we want to only view the questions, we want to only go through the questions, then we have questions tab. All the questions are available, and same, we can filter out the questions according to the company name, like Hexaware, Saskin. So we can do all these things. Secondly, whenever a student registers, it's himself or herself, he is by default registered as a junior student, and for a junior student, creating the post, that facility is not available for that student. In that case, the student has to be a senior student, which is updated by the admin only. So what will I do? I will just log in to a senior student account. I have already created a senior student account with the same name. I will log into that account. So it is almost same, but one different thing is there, that we have one my post tab here, and with the help of this we have a create post button, and the senior student can create a post from here by filling out this form. And all the posts which were earlier created by this particular student are being displayed here, and all the CRUD operations he can perform. For example, here is a post. If I want to delete this post, I can just click on the delete button and the post will be deleted. You can see the post has been deleted, and all other operations we can also perform, like update. We can update the post here. So this was all about the student module. Now let's check about the admin module. So this is the admin login form. I will enter the admin credentials. So login is successful, and this is the dashboard of admin panel, and all the statistics are displayed here, like total number of students registered, total number of questions or companies and posts, etc. These are all the statistics. On the left hand side we have a side panel which contains all the different functionalities. Like if you click on students, then we will get the list of all the students here. Currently all the students whosoever are registered on the system, their details are there, and with these buttons we can update or delete any student. For example, if I want to delete this student, then I will just click on the delete button and the student will be deleted from the database. Next, same, we have posts, where all the currently available posts or blogs are there. We can perform the operations from here. Then we have a tab registrations. This registrations tab is very much important for the admin, because this will enable that registrations are currently open or not. So since we can see the message here that currently registrations are open, so that's why we can open we are able to open a register tab. But if I close these registrations from here, for example, like currently registrations are closed, and after that if I try to open this register page, so it will not be able to open. So these are the registrations. After that there is add companies option, from where admin can add a company. For example, if I try to enter, if I add, the company will successfully added and it will be displayed here in the table. Then we have update batch, which will update a particular batch from junior to senior, and last we have change email. If any student want to update his email ID or her email ID, then it can be done from this option. So this was all about the admin panel, and this was a brief demonstration of our major project to Circle Up. Thank you very much.